Use a modern streaming platform to stream endlessly and get paid every single month. It's time for you to take your slice in a huge $100 billion pie and never pay for streaming without getting paid ever again. Create your platform. We'll take care of the rest. No contracts. No monthly fees. Just results. Watch a demo get started today. Here's what you get. Your own platform, stream your favorite shows. No ads, add unlimited devices, your own dashboard, platform management, platform distribution, sales. Tracking your own price, no monthly fees. Get paid monthly, free forever. Get started today. Users love using Avertedai. Total revenue $13,715.49 plus 15% from last month. Robert Jones. Just cancelled all my subscriptions. I'm never streaming on any platform other than my own on Avertedai. Best of all, I'm getting paid. Total revenue $15,231.89 plus 20% from last month. Zoltan Williams. Avertedai forever in my pocket. What a great way to make passive income. Absolutely loving it. Total revenue $8,670 plus 11.1% from last month. Yassine Smith. I just want to keep the entire platform all to myself. I'm getting myself used to streaming, chilling, and earning. Total revenue $1,850 estimated. If you start today, you don't miss out. Spots are not limited. You might as well just get started right now. Get started creating your own platform. Creating your own streaming platform doesn't require $1 million budget or an army of top-tier software developers. Watch how Avertedai makes it super simple to create your own streaming platform. Without paying monthly fees, you're the one getting paid monthly instead. Frequently asked questions: can I use Avertedai on my smartphone? Are there any hidden fees? Can I add multiple devices? How will I get paid? Is it accessible? What about support? We offer free 24/7 customer support. You can reach out to us via the dashboard help. Okay, I'm ready. How do I join? Onboarding is easy. Start your Avertedai account, complete your profile, and start streaming and earning. Powered by the MovieDB. Powered by the MovieDB. Privacy terms: contact us. FTC GDPR. Earnings disclaimer. Warrior Plus is used to help manage the sale of products on this site. While Warrior Plus helps facilitate the sale, all payments are made directly to the product vendor and not Warrior Plus. Thus, all product questions, support inquiries and/or refund requests must be sent to the vendor. Warrior Plus's role should not be construed as an endorsement, approval, or review of these products or any claim, statement, or opinion used in the marketing of these products.